We observed that in aqueous solutions, the concentrations of H plus ions, OH minus ions are in the range of 10 to the power minus. So to express the concentration in such power terms is a difficult task. To simplify this, P.L. Sorensen proposed a new scale known as pH scale. So P.L. Sorensen proposed a new scale known as pH scale. According to this, the negative log of H plus ion concentration is considered as its pH. Negative log of H plus ion concentration. Mathematically, we can express like this. pH is equal to minus log concentration of H plus ion. Minus log concentration of H plus ion. So, for acids, we already know that the range of H plus ion concentration is from minus 10 to the power minus 1 to 10 to the power minus 7, less than minus 7. So, if you take logarithmic values like this, if you take anti-log of that, the same thing, this 10 to the power minus 1 minus log H plus, if you consider, it will be equal to 1 and it will be equal to 7. So it is easy to express 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 instead of 10 to the power minus 1, 10 to the power minus 2, 10 to the power minus 3, etc. So here also, those solutions which pH is in between 1 to 7, 1 to less than 7 are considered as acids. 7 is a neutral. From greater than 7 to 14, they are bases. Those solutions which negative log of H plus ion concentrations are in between 1 to less than 7 are considered as an acids. Greater than 7 to 14 are considered as bases. For those solutions whose pH is 7 are considered as neutral in nature. Remember, this pH scale is applicable only for those solutions whose concentrations are less than 1 mole. pH scale is applicable for those solutions whose concentrations are less than 1 mole. Now let us calculate the pH of pure water. In pure water, concentration of H plus ion is 1.0 into 10 to the power minus 7. pH is equal to minus log concentration of H plus, that is equal to minus half log 1 plus log 10 to the power minus 7. Because pH is equal to minus log H plus, whereas log H plus is equal to 1 into 10 to the power minus 7. Therefore, minus log H plus is equal to minus of log 1 plus log 10 to the power minus 7. Now, minus of log 1 is equal to 0, whereas 10 to the power minus 7 is equal to minus 7. It will be equal to plus 7. That means pH of water is considered as 7. That means for neutral solutions, pH will be 7. For acids, pH is 1 to less than 7. For bases, pH is greater than 7 to 14. And this scale is applicable only for aqueous solutions whose concentrations are less than 1 mole. Remember, here I am directly writing the log values. If you have any doubt regarding the logs, taking the logs, in gaseous state chapter, I have already gave a detailed explanation how to convert normal numbers into logarithmic forms and logarithms into normal forms. The title of that class is Using of Log Tables for Doing Chemistry Problems. It was in states of matter topic. So if you have any doubt regarding the logarithm values, you go and observe that video. వస్తుంది. Now let us observe some problems basing on this pH scale. Let us do one by one. Here, first case is calculate the pH of 0.01 mole HCl. HCl is a strong acid, so it completely ionizes to give H plus ions and Cl minus ions. Because strong acids and strong bases, their ionization is large extent, that means they are almost completely ionizable. So in such cases, here this is monobasic acid. Monobasic acid means the acid in which 1 mole of H plus ions are obtained from 1 mole of HCl. They are said to be monobasic. Only one replaceable H plus ion is present in each molecule. So in such cases, concentration of H plus ions will be equal to concentration of HCl. So here we have concentration of HCl. This will be equal to 0.01. 0.01 means 1 by 100, or it can be written as 1 into 10 to the power minus 2 moles per liter. This is H plus ion concentration. Now we have to find pH. pH is minus log concentration of H plus. That is equal to minus log minus of log 1 into 10 to the power minus 2. So in logarithmic form, this into is equal to plus. So we can write it as log 1 plus log 10 to the power minus 2. So minus sign is outside the bracket. So let it be right like that only. Minus of log 1 is equal to 0. Log 1 is equal to 0. 0 minus log 10 to the power minus 2. Log value is 10 to the power minus 2. Log value is minus 2. So minus of minus 2, it will be equal to plus 2. Minus of minus 2 will be equal to plus 2. So pH of 10 to the power minus 2 or 0.01 mole HCl will be equal to 2. Now, let us go through the second problem. In second problem, instead of HCl, H2SO4 is given. H2SO4 is a dibasic acid. That means one molecule will give 2 H plus ions. Because H2SO4 ionizes to give 2 H plus SO4 minus 2. So here H plus ions concentration is double to the concentration of H2SO4. Because one molecule of H2SO4 is giving 2 ions. 1 mole of H2SO4 can give 2 moles of H plus ions. Because this is also a strong acid, it will completely ionizes. So in such cases, that is strong dibasic acids, the concentration of H plus ions will be equal to double to the concentration of H2SO4. Here concentration of H2SO4 is 0.02. Therefore, concentration of H plus ions will be equal to 2 into concentration of H2SO4. So 2 into 0.02, it will be 0.04, or we can write it as 4 into 10 to the power minus 2. That is H plus ion concentration. Next is, as usual, pH is equal to minus log concentration of H plus. This will be minus of log 4 plus log 10 to the power minus 2. So here log 2 value is 0.6021, whereas it is minus 2. Log 10 to the power minus 2 is equal to minus 2. Now this is minus of minus, so you will get plus 1.3969, 3979, 1.3979, pH of 0.02 mole HCl, pH is 1.3979. So for monobasic acids, H plus ion concentration is almost equal to acid concentration. For dibasic acids like H2SO4, we have to double the concentration of H2SO4 to get H plus ions concentration. Now the third example is base. 0.2 mole NaOH. NaOH is a strong base. So NaOH ionizes to give Na plus OH minus. In acids, H plus ions are released. In bases, OH minus ions are going to release. Since NaOH is strong base, it almost completely ionizes to give Na plus and OH minus ions. So in NaOH solution, we have concentration of OH minus ions equal to concentration of NaOH. That means OH ions concentration in this solution will be equal to 0.02 mole. Like pH, we can also consider pOH. So pOH is nothing but minus log concentration of OH minus. Minus log concentration of OH minus. So this 0.02 can be written as 2 into 10 to the power minus 2. Now pOH is equal minus of log 2 plus log 10 to the power minus 2. Log 2 value is minus of 0.3010 minus 2. So it will be minus of minus 1.6990. So it is nothing but plus 1.6990. This is pOH. So pOH of 0.02 m NaOH will be equal to 1.6990. But now they are asking us to calculate pH, not pOH. For any aqueous solutions, Kw value is 10 to the power minus 14. Therefore, pH plus pOH will be equal to 14. For any aqueous solutions, pH plus pOH will be equal to 14. Therefore, pH is equal to 14 minus pOH. So, 14 minus 1.6990. So, it will be 12.3010. This is the pH of 0.02 mole NaOH. We know that pH of basic solutions are greater than 7 to 14. It is in between that range, 12.3010. So, if an acidic solutions were given, we have discussed earlier, and if basic solution was given, we have to do the problem like this. Let us do some textual numerical problems on pH. These questions are most important. Already in previous IP examinations, board examinations, these questions were asked to answer for 2 marks. So these are very important and very easy to solve. Now, first question is calculate the pH of 0.001 mole HCl or 10 to the power minus 3 mole HCl. 0.001 is nothing but 10 to the power minus 3. This conversion I have already explained in stoichiometry chapter. That is scientific notation, or in the significant figures topic I explained this. Here just once again I want to explain it, how to convert these decimals into scientific projection. Here if you have 0.1, this can be written as 1 by 10, or it can also be written as 1 into 10 to the power minus 1. If it is 0.002, here after decimal we have 3 digits including 2 zeros. So it can be written as 2 by 3 zeros are there. So if after decimal, if we have 1 digit, we write 10. If 2 digits are there after decimal, we will write by 100. If here we have 3 digits, so it can be written as 2 by 1000. 2 by 1000. Here there both meaning is same. 0.002 is equal to 2 by 1000. But 1000 is equal to 10 cube, because you will get 10 into 10 into 10, you will get 1000, because 10 into 10 is 100, 100 into 10 is equal to 1000. So this can also be written as 2 by 10 to the power minus 3. 2 by 10 to the power minus 3. Sorry, 2 by 10 cube. Sorry, 2 by 10 cube. So if you bring, this is 2 by means 2 divided by 10 cube. So this can also be written as 2 into 10 to the power minus 3. So this is the way to convert decimals. This is called as scientific expression and this is called as decimal expression. So meaning is same. So here we have given both scientific expression as well as decimal expression. So in decimal expression it is 0.001, it is nothing but 10 to the power minus 3 or 1 into 10 to the power minus 3. If anything is multiplied by 1, its value will not go, is not going to be changed. So 10 to the power minus 3 is nothing but 1 into 10 to the power minus 3. Now here in HCl since it is a strong acid, it completely ionizes to give H plus ions and Cl minus ions. In strong acids, particularly in monobasic acids, concentration of H plus ions is almost equal to the concentration of that acid. For monobasic acids, concentration of H plus ions is equal to concentration of acid. That is, concentration of H plus ions in this problem is equal to concentration of HCl. Concentration of HCl was given, it is 1.0 into 10 to the power minus 3. 0.01 means 1 into 10 to the power minus 3. Even 10 to the power minus 3 or 1 into 10 to the power minus 3, it makes no difference. Now, pH is equal to minus log concentration of H plus. Now, concentration of H plus is 1 into 10 to the power minus 3. So, it is minus of log 1 plus log 10 to the power minus 3. So, value of log 1 is 0. So, we can write it as minus of 0 minus log 10 to the power minus 3 value is minus 3. So, minus of minus 3, it will be plus 3. So, pH of 0.10 to the power 0.1 into 10 to the power minus 3, MHCl pH is 3. Remember, if there is nothing is there in front of this, 1 into 10 to the power minus 3, pH is 3. 1 into 10 to the power minus 5, pH is 5. 1 into 10 to the power minus 4, pH is 4. 1 into 10 to the power minus 3, pH is 3. 1 into 10 to the power minus 2, pH is 2. So, it will be like that only. So, this is this one. Now, second problem is calculate pH of 0.003 MHCl. 0.003 MHCl means 3 into 10 to the power minus 3, because here also after decimal we have 3 digits. So, here since it is 1, we write it as 1 into 10 to the power minus 3. But if 3 is there, you have to write it as 3 into 10 to the power minus 3. So, it is nothing but 3 into 10 to the power minus 3 moles. 0.003 means. So, since HCl is a strong acid, H plus ions concentration will be equal to acid concentration. Therefore, concentration of H plus ions in this present solution is equal to concentration of HCl. That will be equal to 3 into 10 to the power minus 3 moles per liter. Now, pH is equal to minus log concentration of H plus. That is equal to minus of log 3 plus log 10 to the power minus 3. So, how to convert numerical values into logarithmic values, and how to convert log values into normal numerical values, I have explained in states of matter topic. I have posted 2 videos, how to use log tables for the calculation of calculations in chemistry, how to use log tables in calculation of chemistry problems. So, you go through that video so that you can understand how to see logarithm tables and how to use the logarithm tables here, because it's not possible for me to again and again explain it. In states of matter topic, usage of log tables, use of log tables in solving chemistry problems video, if you check it, you will get it. Now, here pH is equal to minus log H plus. Therefore, log 3 is equal to minus of log 3 is equal to 0.4771, because 3 means you have to go through the log tables. There in log tables, against 30, if you observe 0, below 0 you will have 4771. So, minus 3, because 10 to the power minus 3 log value is minus 3. So, minus 3, this one is plus 1. So, if you solve it, you will get minus of 2.9225 So, its pH is 2.5229. This is the pH of 0.003 m HCl. Now another question is, calculate the pH of 10 to the power minus 6. Here I have already told you 10 to the power minus 3 means 3. So 10 to the power minus 6 means pH is equal to 6. Just directly you can write the answer. Then next problem is, calculate the pH of 0.005 mole HCl. So its concentration is 5 into 10 to the power, here 3 digits are there, so minus 3. So H plus ion concentration in dibasic acids, because H2SO4 ionizes to give 2 H plus ions and SO4 minus 2. So here H plus ion concentration is double to the concentration of acid. So in this case, concentration of H plus ions is equal to 2 into concentration of H2SO4. That is equal to 2 into 5 into 10 to the power minus 3, or 2 5s are 10, or 10 into 10 to the power minus 3, or you can write it as 1 into 10 to the power minus 2. So if it is 1 into 10 to the power minus 2, its pH will be 2. So this is the way to solve problems like this. But here we have another problem. Calculate pH of solution or HCl solution. pH of HCl solution, pH of 10 to the power minus 8 mole HCl. pH, write that pH of HCl is 8, then it will be wrong. If you take simple log value for it, you will get 8 only. But it is not correct, because whatever the dilute acid it may be, we have already discussed in the initial stage of this topic that pH of acid should be less than 7. It will not exceed 7. All acids pH is less than 7. 8 is greater than 7. So why it was happened and what to do in these cases? So why it was happened means, in the previous cases, because we discussed that in the previous cases. Let us. So why it was not, I am going to explain it. Suppose here we are taking 0.0001 m HCl. This HCl means 0.001 mole of acid was present in water, because it's aqueous solutions. All the solutions which we are now dealing now are aqueous solutions. When they are aqueous solutions, automatically water will present. In water also you will have H plus ions. The H plus ions concentration in water is 10 to the power minus 7 moles per liter. In this type of cases, are the cases which we studied so far, we neglected the concentration of H plus ions. Why we have neglected it? Because here when compared to H plus ion concentration is 0.00000006 zeros you have to put, then 1. This is the concentration of H plus ions in water. Now here the concentration of H plus ion in acid is 0.001. If you consider this, you have to add it. Suppose if you add it, what you are going to get? 1.00100001. So if you compare these two numbers, they are almost equal, because after decimal, this 4 digits after 1 will not give any meaning. That's why, as it is negligible, we neglected it. But in the case of this problem, H plus ion concentration itself is 0.00007 zeros, 3, 5, 6, 7 zeros and 1. Now H plus ions concentration in water is 0.0000006 zeros and 1. Now if you add it, it will be 0.0000001 and 1. Now if you compare these two numbers, there is a difference. In such cases, this cannot be neglected. So in those cases where H plus ions concentration is of an acid is less than the concentration of H plus ions in water, we should not neglect H plus ion concentration of water in that solution. So in this solution, concentration of H plus ions is equal concentration of HCl plus concentration of H plus ions of water. So concentration of H plus ions is 10 to the power minus 8 plus H plus ions concentration is 10 to the power minus 7. So to add any powers, that is scientific notation, we should equalize the powers. So we can equalize the powers by this. It can be written as 0.1 into 10 to the power minus 7, and this can be written as 1 into 10 to the power minus 7. Now if you add these two, you will get 1.1 into 10 to the power minus 7. This is H plus ion concentration in 10 to the power minus 8 moles HCl. In the previous cases, we neglected concentration of H plus ions of water because acid concentration is far greater than the concentration of H plus ions. In such cases, H plus ion concentration can be neglected. But when the concentration of H plus ions of acid is less than concentration of H plus ions of water, in such cases we cannot ignore the concentration of H plus ions. So here in 10 to the power minus 8 mole HCl, concentration of H plus ions will be equal to 1.1 into 10 to the power minus 8. 1.1 into 10 to the power minus 8. Now if you take log value for this, it will be, so here log 1.1, so it can be written as pH is equal to minus log minus of log 1.1 plus log 10 to the power minus 8. So log 1.1 is equal to 0.0439 minus 8. So if you subtract this from 8.0000 0.0439, it will be 1659, sorry, it is 7. So 7, it will be 6.9561. So it will be minus 6.9561, minus of minus will be equal to plus. So pH is 6.9569. This is the pH of 10 to the power minus 8 mole HCl. So in those solutions, H plus ion concentration is almost equal or less than concentration of H plus ions of water. In such cases, we cannot neglect H plus ion concentration in water.